What if I told you that the chaos in your mind is the only thing stopping you from living your best life? Today we're going to calm your mind, boost your confidence, and completely transform your life, one simple step at a time. John was always busy. Every day his mind felt heavy. Like clouds blocking the sun, he worried about the future, regretted the past, and felt exhausted. One day, he realized, if I don't calm my mind, I will never be truly happy. John decided to try something new. He woke up early one morning and sat quietly. Just 5 minutes. At first his thoughts raced, but slowly he noticed the silence between them. That little peace felt like a gentle breeze on a hot day. A friend taught John a simple exercise: inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold for 4, exhale for 4. John practiced every day. Each breath seemed to wash away tension. He realized calmness could be built, one breath at a time. As John's mind calmed, something amazing happened. He felt more confident, decisions became easier. He trusted himself more. Calmness didn't just make him peaceful, it made him strong. John noticed negative thoughts trying to sneak in. "I'm not good enough," they whispered, but instead of arguing, he simply observed them, like clouds passing in the sky. He didn't chase them away, he let them float, and slowly they disappeared. Every morning, John spent 10 minutes meditating. Every evening, he wrote down 3 things he was grateful for. These small rituals transformed his day. Calmness became a habit, not a goal. Before, John felt scattered, jumping from one task to another. Calm mind, calm life. Now he focused on one thing at a time. Productivity increased, stress decreased. He realized focus is a gift of a calm mind. One day, John had to speak in front of a crowd. Panic filled him, but he remembered his calmness practices. He took a deep breath, centered himself, and stepped forward. His fear was still there, but it no longer controlled him. Calmness allowed John to hear his inner voice clearly. Decisions that once seemed confusing became obvious. His intuition grew stronger. He understood that confidence is born from listening to yourself, not others. Before, criticism hurt John deeply, but now calmness was like a shield. Others' words were like raindrops on a window. They touched him but didn't soak him. Freedom felt incredible. John learned to enjoy small moments. A cup of tea, a walk in the park. A smile from a stranger, calm mind, joyful heart. Life was no longer a race, it was a beautiful journey. Calmness changed John's relationships too. He listened more, argued less, and expressed love without fear. Others noticed the difference. Peace is contagious, he realized. John didn't become calm overnight, every day. He practiced, every day he chose peace over chaos. Slowly, life transformed. Calmness became part of his identity, and confidence grew naturally. John began helping others find calm. Friends asked, "How do you stay so confident?" He shared his story. Simple exercises and the truth he learned: peace is a choice. Confidence comes from within. Years passed and John looked back. The storm inside him was gone. He faced life with calm, confidence, and joy. He realized the mind is like water. When it's still, it reflects the beauty around you. And that stillness transforms everything. Remember, your mind is the most powerful tool you have. Calm it and confidence will follow. Let go of negativity, focus on the present, and embrace the journey. Every small step you take toward peace is a step toward transforming your life. Start today. Breathe, believe, become unstoppable.